My name is Dean, and I'm the brand and marketing manager for Deepika Chalasani, seated on my left. And I'm going to be removing my mask now. I have quite a bit of distance from all of you, so I hope that's all right with all of you. Thank you very much. As you all know, November 14th, as you've read in the invite, and you already are aware, November 14th is the World Diabetes Day. And this is the World Diabetes Day created by the IDF. IDF is the International Diabetes Federation in Belgium. And the World Diabetes Day is also endorsed and supported by the WHO, the World Health Organization, as we all know. They've been very active in the recent news, of course, for all sorts of reasons. And because of the World Diabetes Day, and in Deepika Chalasani's endeavor to help the community and individuals and humanities, she is working on this program called the No Diabetes Global Program, of various case studies that she's going to share. Those who have been able to reduce all of their various medications due to a healthy lifestyle and the right nutrition that Deepika Chalasani has been working on for the last couple of years. She's been in this industry and in this field of nutrition, dietitian, and also in dietetics, and also weight loss and diabetes for many years now. And she also holds various certifications in this field of nutrition, dietetics, and psychotherapy and counseling. Deepika is also inspired a lot by Mr. Subba Rao, seated to the extreme left, her father, who is 79 years of age. And Mr. Subba Rao has himself a great story of his own personal journey as to how he has been able to reverse various ailments that were bothering him and his wife in terms of health.
In this fantastic introduction, you've already heard the relevance of diabetes and No Diabetes program today. The reason I'm here is to again reiterate that we are launching this online global community of people who want to help prevent, delay, reverse diabetes, and this is a platform that people can look to get benefits from. And before I tell you more about the program, I'm just going to give you a little introduction about myself and what makes me come here to launch this program. So many years back, it's about 25 years back to 30 years back, I would say, in the late 90s, what happened was the first time we saw my mother, who used to play golf and tennis very regularly, used to be very, very active, not had weight problems, start having problems on health. And we thought that if somebody who's so healthy, who's eating so well, can have such health problems, that was our first insights into saying that there's also something called family genes. And slowly and steadily, though she was eating very well, she was doing everything right, the family genes started coming up, and diabetes was one of them. After that, we were looking at to work on it, but we were trying so many things, but then didn't get too much of success because we would keep trying all the Western fads, which didn't work for us. So Dad, at that point of time, and he was 60 years, today he's 79, so 19 years back, he decided to study nutrition and understand what is it that is causing these health problems for us. And at that point of time, he was 100 kilos, 60 years of age, and all the family history of heart problems, eczema, psoriasis, edema, all of that started coming into his life too. So that was an opportunity for him. He said, I don't want to get to the doctors at this point of time. I want to start figuring out how I can work on my health. So in 2000, he started studying nutrition and he pursued his master's from IGNOU, and thereafter reversed his health problems. So today he's off no medications. He was able to help my mother reverse diabetes to a large extent. Today she's on very minimal medication. She's 70 years old. And she leads a very healthy, active lifestyle, and so does my dad. So that was their journey way back from 2000 to 2012. In 2012, what happened was I was 39, and I had a lot of health problems that showed up because I was, successfully trotting the globe because of my career that did very, very well. But what happened was health problems came up, including diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol, palpitations, and I was also struggling with weight for about 10 years before that. So from 30 to 39, I was struggling with weight. And at 39, not only my health gave way in terms of all these complications that started up, also was my weight. So that was when I decided to look to take care of my health, because by then I had a huge success story in my corporates. And I was like, but my health was not supporting me to continue with work with all these complications that had started to come in and show up. And that is how Fit for Life was born. It was at 39 when I realized that my parents at that point of time, at 60 and 70, those years, were very healthy. They were able to reverse health. So if they could do that, I could do that too. And that's how Fit for Life was born, because I said, let me first take care of my health. Let me understand from my dad how things work. Let me study nutrition. And then once I was able to do all of it and reverse my health story, that is when I realized that many, many more people can get help from I would say a service in terms of nutrition. And that's how Fit for Life happened. And it's been 8 years now. And thankfully, Dad, who's 79 today is 79th birthday, and he's been able to live without any medicines. My mom, we've been able to reverse diabetes to a large extent. She's at 6.5 to 7 HbA1c with very minimal medications. And I've been able to reverse my diabetes and all my health problems. I've lost over 25 kilos of weight, sustained it over the last 8 years. And the program of No Diabetes is to help a lot of people around the world be able to reverse a lot of health problems, be able to get active again, because once you start going through a lot of health issues as a woman, you have to either choose a career or you have to be at home, and you cannot do both because somewhere your health gives up. And that's what happened with me at 39. So today, what I would like to do to the world over and to help people across the globe is a community that will help people reverse their health problems, especially if they're metabolic in nature or lifestyle related, and be able to lead a very healthy life that can allow them to pursue all their priorities, which is including being a mother, or a father, an employee, son, so all these roles somewhere get compromised because they don't have good health. And today, thankfully, because we've been able to do that, I'm just trying to help more people across the globe get better. So before we talk more about No Diabetes and before I talk more about it, I'd just like to share one success story, because we have many, many of them, and you can see it from our websites. deepikachalasani.com has a lot of these stories, but that is there. We'd like to share with you one recent success story, and that you could look at and see how just good nutrition and, I would say eating right can help a person in such a big way.
And I'm a kidney transplant since 35 years. This is a must-watch video if you love your family and you want to live a happy and healthy life. And if you get up in the night, in the middle of the night, and have craving for chocolate and feel hungry to eat biscuits and chana. Since 5 years, I've been complaining to my homeopath and nephrology doctor, and even requesting to give sleeping pills so that I do not get up in the middle of the night and eat. No solution came from both my doctors, and on the contrary, my diabetic medicine dosage increased. I am in gratitude to my son for having introduced me, or rather pushed me, to a nutritionist consultant, father and daughter combination, Mr. Subbarao and Madam Deepika. Please believe me, within a couple of days, my craving disappeared and I slept in the night to wake up next morning. My post-diabetic reading reduced from 300 plus to 141. and my triglycerides from 600 plus to 200 plus in just 1 month's time. Please believe this reality, and please believe this reality that you can cure yourself with good nutrition, diet, and over a period of time, reduce the dosage of your pills. I am sharing this video not to promote and advertise the good work.
Yeah, so if you look at it, I mean, somebody was struggling to sleep, and you know what it means to be able to, not sleep, mind, I want to do so many things, I want to achieve so many things, and if somebody is not able to sleep, imagine what kind of productivity will happen the next day. And it's not 1 day, it's not 2 days, it's for 5 years. Okay, and when he came to us, he would tell us that, I'm having all these cravings and I don't know why, but I'm not able to stop myself from having biscuits and chocolates, and it's through the night. So I, as a mind-body transformation coach, understood where the problem was. And I counseled him in a way that he started accepting a new change of life. So the way Dad and I work, and that's the way how we contribute to society too, is that he looks at more of the domain of nutrition. I understand it, the nutrition, from a perspective of what works for the mind and the body, and then I tailor make and customize the program for a person. Because both of this are equally important. He brings in the knowledge of 20 years working with Indians and researching on Indian bodies and researching on a lot of information around nutrition across the globe that works for Indians. And what I do is to understand what this person is going through, how is he, what kind of a program will work for him as per his mind. Because if you don't understand that, it doesn't go forward. So if you see the data that we showed you, that we are showing you, you can see very, very clearly how triglycerides of 600 can go down to 200, how diabetic levels of 304 postprandial can go down to absolutely normal levels. And this is with a quarter of the medications. And also, if you look at it, we've also put the kidney parameters, because many times when you're looking to work on diabetic people, a lot of times you give a lot of protein and therefore the kidney starts to give a problem. And you can also see how we are able to, one, focus on both these dimensions, and second, when somebody's health has improved in the way of the sugar levels, you can also see the improvement in the kidney parameters. So this is what we do when we are looking to, okay, yeah, you can go with this also. So when we are working with clients, what we do is we keep asking them to check their sugar levels. The first time we do is we ask them to check the sugar levels in the lab as well as at the glucometer. Because when we give food which reduces the sugars naturally, the person's sugar levels go down. So we have to keep tracking it and therefore reducing the medicines as per the doctor. So when we see a certain reduction in the sugar level, we tell the client, please go to the doctor and ask for a medication that supports these sugar levels, not the earlier sugar levels. So that is how we work with our clients. So if you see, we have something called, like, he goes to Apollo, and it's like whoever goes, whichever lab or diagnostic lab that somebody is comfortable, they go there and check their reports and check their sugar levels, and you can see the ones there in the fasting and the post, and you can see the ones at home. Okay, there is a difference because one is a venial blood and one is an arterial blood, so there is a difference between a glucometer as well as what you see in the lab. And we check on that first, okay, and then we ask them to check at their home regularly. So what happens is, when they're checking their sugar levels at home, the parameters keep going down, and when the parameters keep going down, we ask them to go to the doctor and ask them to reduce their medicines. So if you look at it, the other slide actually has it. At various stages, if you look at the data, we have reduced it. Like if you see, there's a 5 mg which started off, when he started off on 20th September, and today he is at 1.25 mg. So that's the kind of difference we bring in terms of the medicines. And when we bring that difference, also sometimes the sugar levels go up a little bit, not much. Because if it goes below a certain point, the next one. See, if you look at this, the fasting had come down to 97. If he continued with the same medicine, he could have gone into hypoglycemia. So what we did was to ask him to reduce the medicine, and that's why it's come up a little bit. Okay? So that's how we keep checking, and we work with doctors because medicine and nutrition have to go side by side. Medicine cannot change the nutritional habits, and nutrition cannot do the work of medicine. So we work with doctors to make sure that whatever we are giving in terms of nutrition supports the medicines. And when the nutrition works on the body, then we ask the client to go to the doctor and ask for a reduction in the medicines. Okay, so a little bit about our program. You've seen a success story right now of how you can, with good food and nutrition, this client is so happy because they never thought but here, when they experience this drastically in the first month itself, every day I get, referrals from them in the sense that they're so happy, they're talking about this to so many people that, I have been able to manage my sugar. More importantly, I have been able to sleep through the night. And today, if somebody gives me biscuits in front of me, I don't have the cravings to eat. And it is so difficult for diabetic people. So when he came to me, he was talking about, how he can't he has to have bananas, and bananas are not good for kidney patients so much. How he wants to have biscuits, how he has to have chocolates, and how, he wakes up in the night and he can't control himself. From there to saying that, I'm so surprised that I can sleep the whole night without a problem. And even if somebody gives me a banana in front of me, I don't feel like eating. What have we done? We've seen what his body needs, okay? Trained his mind to support that, and then followed up with him consecutively and consistently to make sure that he's able to change into a new lifestyle. So now if you look at the No Diabetes Global Program, it's similar. What are we doing here? We are going to be educating people on what diabetes is, because diabetes is not such a big thing, okay, if you know it well. It becomes a big thing, it becomes uncontrollable because you don't understand your body. So people like me understand the body, understand how the mind operates, and therefore help people transition into a better lifestyle. So the No Diabetes program, which is a 50-day life-changing and habit formation kind of a program, is meant to help people understand more about what diabetes is, how they can change their lifestyle easily without compromising on any other goal of theirs. For example, if somebody is a career woman, somebody has very high aspirations on career, then they can still do all of it and control their sugar levels. So the tips and tricks and how to sustain a new lifestyle is something that people will get educated on through a 50-day program. During the 50 days, we also will give people videos that support what we are saying, so that there's a reinforcement in terms of education. During the 50 days, there are going to be challenges so that people will get into a better habit formation. There are going to be recipes that people can cook at home, so that, like for example, you ask any diabetic person that, do you like sweets and sugars? Even if they didn't like before, once they become diabetic, they all like it. So the idea is that tell people, educate people, give them new ideas, and every week give them one learning on one concept that they can start following from there on, because the mind takes that much of time to transition, and we cannot really push things within the first 2 days. So during the 50 days, because they followed it through for 50 days, they will be able to learn how to live a life with diabetes and lesser sugar levels, at the same time with better productivity, higher energy levels, and in a much more happier space than having the cravings that they do. And I would say the biggest contribution that I'd like to bring to the society today is many children are getting diabetes, type 2 diabetes at a very young age. Like for example, if my mom got diabetes at 60, I got into a diabetic level at 39. And today, I see a lot of children at 16 to 20 whose parents and grandparents are diabetic, and my grandparents were also diabetic, are getting diabetes. So at 16 and 20, when children get diabetes, they're not able to function very well because it also compromises on their fertility issues. It also bothers their productivity. They get a lot of mood swings. They have very less energy. So all of this at a very young age, children are going through it. So if as parents, if we like to be responsible parents who want to help our children eat better, get into a better healthy lifestyle, then this program of No Diabetes is for them. And therefore, my contribution to society and with support of Dad is to tell a lot of parents across the globe that if your parents or you are already predisposed to diabetes, very likely that your children can get at a much younger age, and therefore eating well can prevent diabetes, control diabetes for those who have already got it, and delay diabetes for those people who have a very high predisposition to genes. Okay? So these are typically what you will get from a program like ours, which is increasing energy, reducing their fatigue levels. Obviously, cost saving, because if you have diabetes, and I'm sure you all will know that people who have diabetes in COVID had a much more difficulty in getting better, and even after they tested negative, they were not able to, even today I'm handling a lot of cases, they are not got back to their earlier energy levels. So when you have issues like diabetes, what happens is also, impacts in all other areas, including at times like COVID. So this is a time to start looking at these elements and therefore take care of yourself. So if you look at it, these are the areas we will look at, and this is how they benefit. Okay, tips we will be giving. We are giving how to eat favorite foods. Everybody has favorite foods. How do I eat it? Everybody thinks that I'm having enough protein, but that is not sufficient or probably not working for the body. So how do I work on that? Many people think that I'm doing physical activity, so therefore it should be comfortable and therefore I should be able to control sugar, but many of them can't. So there is a way for doing a physical activity that supports diabetes. So like that, whatever is relevant to diabetes, whether it's cooking, whether it's a lifestyle change, whether it is how to eat different food groups, to how to manage stress, to what kind of physical activity they should do, is all covered in the 50-day program. These are the 7 weeks that we will be covering. How to eat grains, what are grains, because people keep asking about millets, to brown rice, to white rice, to idlis. We have answers for all of them. So if you look at it, we have taken care of all the food groups that people have on an everyday basis. This is the stats. By 2045, there will be an increase of 74% in diabetic population in the country. And a lot of our youngsters, children who have not even seen life, will be suffering from it. And this is such a simple disease to take care of. So if you just do the right things and basic things, and we are here to spread this word and the message of how you can educate yourself on this, you'll help your children get a better life. And people who can participate, since it's a program which is an online program and it is for a community improvement, we are very clear that we cannot take people who are insulin dependent and who are beyond HbA1c 8 for this program of No Diabetes Global. However, we have customized programs, like you saw Mr. Lahiri's profile, and that we support, but for this program we will not be taking people who are beyond this participant profile. So we have dates, 15th, 21st and 28th. These are the 3 dates that people can start off with, and it end obviously 50 days after. And you can do this at home. and you don't need any other infrastructure. You don't need anything extra. All you need is a phone, a smartphone, and that's all it needs. And how do I register? deepikachalasani.com is there, so just go in there and register. Very, very simple. Yeah, and that's it. So again, just want to end. Just want to end with this simple, I would say, message that if we are parents who want to be responsible parents and who want to give our children a better life, then let's look at changing our food habits at home so that we can give our children, or we can delay the diabetes for children to a much later date. And those parents who are already having, diabetes, I would say most women who have diabetes really have a lot of issues on fatigue as well as energy levels. So as well as, of course, it shows up in men too, but not as much. So if you are looking to improve your own productivity levels and you want to do a lot more in life, then please register for this program because it's really, really helpful and it's a knowledge sharing program. Thank you.
And sweets, where a lot of people are going to be eating a lot of sweets. So I think it's really important in terms of our duty to the community to be able to reach out to everybody on, educating them and creating awareness as to how they can eat their favorite foods. What is the right quantity, what are the right times, how much, what not, what should, and the to-dos of their favorite foods so that they can still enjoy life, have a healthy lifestyle, and through the right nutrition and a balanced, healthy lifestyle, control, reverse or reduce diabetes. So as a duty towards humanity and community, equally important to take that message out to people because some of us in this room may be already having diabetes, otherwise we may be knowing friends and families who already have.
Without increasing the sugar levels. Could you actually tell how can one do that? I mean, if you could just give an example. And, there are different body types. There are different metabolism levels and different genes. So how do you really, does this work for each one of these kind of people?
Yes, it works for everybody. The impact and the effectiveness of it differs depending on how bad it has got. However, if somebody sustains a lifestyle, then people do see change. Like I would say, for example, if my aunt she got diabetes at 40, 45 and my mom got it at 60. And not overdo a mango once. For example, I do about 100 to 200 grams of mango every day for the whole season rather than have 2 mangoes at the same time. That really helps. Okay. And the fourth part of it is that if you are able to manage your frequency, your quantity, and your craving levels, then automatically what you will see is that there's no deprivation in the head. See, most people who crave is because they have this sense of deprivation that they cannot eat these foods and therefore it becomes more in the head in terms of significance, right? If you know that you can have your sugar levels, your sugars or your favorite foods, and you exercise in a certain way, you eat the rest of the 3 meals are there to play around with, then you can look to have your favorite foods. And if you have that yes, I can eat whenever I want to, but it's my choice, rather than no, I'm not supposed to eat it. The more I have this no in my head, that shows up as a craving for a lot more. Yeah.
So does this work for diabetes 1 as well?
Type 1, not this program, not necessarily for them. Okay, but then the education that we are giving is for all diabetic people. Okay, in terms of what grains, how they work, and how do you eat fruits and vegetables. So this is a healthy, active lifestyle program. So you can, as a type 1 diabetes, also have it, use it. And unfortunately, if they're totally dependent on insulin, then we have to be doing some kind of a moderation or checking on how things are going.
And how do you do that? Like, I mean, how do you really monitor? Because see, again, what happens is in many cases, suppose someone is following a diet. You know how the diet works. They are all enthused about it for the first few days. After that, it gets back to getting back to yourself. So in this case, how do you really monitor your patients?
So
and what does your program consist of? Is it just a virtual program? Or do you really, have them do some exercises, etc.?
So there are 2 parts here. For this program, No Diabetes Global, it does not take into consideration or that participant profile is not here with us. We will not be looking at it because that needs a certain level of customization, which this program is not meant to do. From an education point of view, people can listen to it, but they cannot be a part of the program because of the customization that's required. Okay, that's that is the main thing. The No Diabetes 50-day program is an educational program. So one, you should know what is needed and why your body. See, many times people say that I eat all right, I eat all healthy, but I don't know why my sugar levels are going up. But there is a science behind why the sugar levels are going up, and especially for Indians, okay, because that's the work we have done across the last 20 years. So telling them that when you eat these kind of foods and if you eat these kind of foods, then automatically your sugar levels will go up, and this is why it goes up, and that's the education we do. So once people understand that better, then they know how to use this information for their daily life. So then at least they are not in suspense that why did it go up today? Okay, so this is an educational program. So you have about 7 webinars on each concept, and the way the best habit formation works is you teach one thing at a time and let them start practicing it, and then you build it up, like you walk one step at a time, rather than giving 10 different pieces of information and they don't know what to start with. So we have started, we're going to take one step at a time, talk to people about grains. Now grains is rice, roti, dal, millets. How do you use which one? What works best? Okay, how do you recognize that? And then we go to fruits and vegetables, and then we go to the protein. Like that, when we talk, give small nuggets of information, there's a lot more, I would say, understanding, and it's easier to start following, rather than giving 10 pieces of information, say they do 10. Because at the end of the day, my client profile or the community I'm looking at is people who have multiple priorities, which is like work, being a mom, being a daughter, and being a sister. So when you have multiple priorities, you can only spend so much time in the kitchen, or so much time you can focus on health. And within that so much time, what can I do? And so that is one part of it. Second is there are going to be challenges. Where we are going to talk about steps challenge, how much physical activity. So it's all about exciting each other. The third is we are going to have celebrations where people who have reduced their sugar levels through this program or otherwise are going to talk on what they do. So it's about success story sharing. Fourth is we are going to be giving a lot of videos, which is from research agencies that are there available that people can look at. So that's another form of knowledge sharing. And the fifth part of it is that we are looking at like the favorite foods. That's a very important part. And we also going to share a lot of recipes. And I would say the most important takeaway is that how can you do all of this on an everyday basis and manage your rest of your life the way it is. So the tips and tricks that support it, because that's a bigger problem, right? 2 days I'm able to do, the third day I can't. Now what do I do when I can't do it? So there are easy ways where people can follow it through.
Thank you so much. Has there been a complete cure? Could you highlight if there are such examples with you? Because the doctors say, once a diabetic, always a diabetic.
I'll tell you, we have had fair amount of success stories. I'm one of them. Of course, I never got into the medicine route. So 9 years, I would say 39. When my first levels of first time I found my sugar levels going up, that is when I decided I'm going to study nutrition and figure it out, because by then I had tried everything in the market and nothing was working for me, so I couldn't lose weight, so sugar was much beyond that, right? So for me today my HbA1c is about 5.2, max to max 5.6, and whenever I check it. Now we have a client in US, and when I'm talking about controlling and reversing, if you are below 5.6 without any medicines, and you do check it any time in the year, we consider that reversal, and this is without medication. So here's a client in the US. She had gestational diabetes. That time also she reached out to us, and we were able to help her reduce her sugar levels with food without having to take insulin, though she would keep checking and the doctors would keep track of that. 8-9 years back, it again showed up as diabetes. And this time around, when she started feeling a lot of energy loss and fatigue, she realized when she checked her sugar levels, it was 9.6. And in such a scenario, when she reached out to us, what we did was to ask her to get to a doctor first. Because when you are having uncontrolled sugar. 9.6 is uncontrolled sugar. You cannot start on nutrition. The first thing is to reduce the sugar through medicine. So we did that. We asked her to get there, get the insulin. And the doctor suggested insulin, which we said was the right thing to do at that point. 2 months on, with good nutrition, her HbA1c came to 5.6. And it's been 4 years, and she's not on any insulin, and her HbA1c is 5.6, and she eats dessert, she eats, her cakes, whatever her favorite foods, without a problem. So in my case, when I see this, because she's also changed her lifestyle, I'm not saying she's gone back to the earlier lifestyle, but with having, she knows, see, my clients know what to do in terms of prioritizing how can I manage my favorites as well as how can I be healthy. Okay, so in 4 years, she's checked all the time, and she's always been less than 5.6. And this is no medicine, no insulin at all.
It's a symptom. It is a high fat disease. That's why you see that gentleman who reduced also his triglycerides. Your treatment has to be that along with the sugar, triglycerides also will have to come down. Then you will be completely able to be out of medication. If high triglycerides persist and your sugar levels are under control, you will be rest of the life you will be under. Because it is why sugar can't get into the cell is because the cells are filled up with fat that is showing up as a triglyceride. Actually, triglyceride precedes the diabetes by at least 10-15 years. And when you reverse diabetes, triglycerides come down.
No Diabetes Global Program, ఇది ఒక 50 days lifestyle changing habit formation program అంటాము. ఈ 50 daysలో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎట్లా తినొచ్చు మనము, ఫుడ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఎట్లా తినొచ్చు, ఫుడ్స్ ఎట్లా కుక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ ఎట్లా చేయాలి, ఇవన్నీ డయాబెటిక్ వాళ్ళకి కొద్దిగా వేరుగా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఓవర్ 20 years మేము రివర్స్ చేసుకున్నాము మా డయాబెటీస్ లెవెల్స్ని. And as well as my mother is also very, very minimal medications and managing her diabetes. So మన దగ్గర over the last 20 years ఒక formula తయారు చేసాము ఇది డయాబెటీస్ కోసం. So this program of 50 days is to teach the world of how you can live a healthy life and reverse your diabetes or control or delay or prevent diabetes. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు పిల్లలకి చాలా తొందర ఏజ్లో వచ్చేస్తుంది డయాబెటీస్. లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 16 years, 18 years, 20 years వాళ్ళకి వస్తున్నాయి. రిడ్యూస్, ప్రివెంట్, డిలే డయాబెటీస్. అండ్ ఒక ఈజీగా ఇంట్లో నుంచి ఫుడ్స్తోనే మనం చేసుకోవచ్చు. యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఇన్ టు ఎనీ ఎక్స్ట్రాస్. అండ్ వెజిటేరియన్ వాళ్ళకి కూడా మనకి ఒక ప్లాన్స్ ఉంటాయి, నాన్ వెజ్ వాళ్ళకి కూడా. సో హోమ్ ఫుడ్స్ తినిన తర్వాత హోమ్ ఫుడ్స్ అండ్ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ అండ్ న్యూట్రిషన్, అండ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి డన్ అక్రాస్ ద వరల్డ్ అండ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి డన్ ఇన్ యువర్ హోమ్. ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఎక్కువగా మనకి అక్కర్లేదు, జస్ట్ ఓ స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ ఉంటే కూడా దట్ ఈస్ ఇనఫ్ ఫర్ అస్. స్టార్టింగ్ ఆన్ 14th యాక్చువల్లీ వరల్డ్ డయాబెటీస్ డే. నార్మలీ మనం ఆ రోజు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాము ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, బట్ టుడే దిస్ టైమ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ దివాలి, సో వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ 15th, 21st, 28th. 3 batches are going to start across the world. And deepikachalasani.com lo velte you can register also. It's a educational program, lifestyle changing ante mem istamu activities cheyadaniki every week. Challenges untai, inspiration stories kuda untai. Okay, so that is the kind of program we're doing over 50 days.
Thank you, all the best.
Thank you so much.